This is No Tension Shop channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Aichada. This is No Tension Shop channel. We are here at Lucas Mripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Brother, how's it?
No, sharp.
What's your name? Where do you come from?
Matlatsi, member of Atreville branch. Yeah.
Your take on the game today?
No, the game was good.
Yeah,
the game was good. All the teams were playing. It's just the lucky.
There and there,
Yeah. So Sundowns used their lucky. Kaizer Chiefs failed to use their lucky. So all in all, no, it was a good game.
Yeah.
No complaint. It was a fair game. And I said, at least we didn't get 4 like the other one got 4. So at least we got 1. Because I heard there was a song that says 4x4 must listen. So at least we got 1. So
4x1.
So I want to say thank you to all the guys who had my calling. When I say, guys, let's work together. Because now Sundowns is going alone. It's running the race alone. So the league is for Sundowns. So I'm still saying, guys, all the 15 teams, let's work together. And let me clarify the 15 teams. I'm counting the Super Sport and the Stellenbosch. Stop selling players to Sundowns. You are killing us. You are killing the competition. Please, sell even to Pirates, sell even to Kaizer Chiefs. You understand? So we must not use money as advantage. You understand?
Just to interject there, I think they will say they are buying, they are selling those players to Mamelodi Sundowns because of Mamelodi Sundowns is paying any price they want.
No, I hear your point, but what I'm saying, normally, if a club put a player on the market and Kaizer Chiefs say, okay, we want that player, you understand? They are using Kaizer Chiefs brand to market that player so that the value of that player can go up, so that Sundowns can get the player, you understand? So what I'm saying, Super Sport, Stellenbosch, let's be fair on the market. Even all the agent of soccer in South Africa, let's be fair on the ball. Because now, if you are not fair, then Sundowns is going to win now and then. And after that, we are going to complain about the match official, this and that, understand? So Sundowns, the game of today, Sundowns played well. Match officials, they did a good job. I don't see any mistake.
Beautiful,
That goal that Ribeiro scored, even I can say, I call a Liverpool player to say, come and mark that player.
Did you celebrate? It seems like you celebrated that goal, eh?
No,
you were like, a good goal.
No, I was saying a special goal in my heart. You know what?
The best,
It was a special goal in terms of the back line was there marking well. Understand? That ball just 2 seconds, it went up, lightning like that. Understand? So it was a good goal. Ribeiro is a good player.
Well done.
Jealous done. So I just want maybe Sundowns, maybe they can give us information or know who is the scout. Where did they get those players? Ribeiro and the Allende. Who started scoring those players?
No,
they are playing. Those guys, they are not getting paid there for Mahala. They are playing. So that is why I'm saying to all management of Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, guys, let's pull up the socks. Let's make sure when we sign players, we sign players that have that value. Not value about the money, even in the field of play. We know we signed this player of 10 million. When he's in the ball, in the field, when he trap the ball, you shoot the ball, you can see this is a quality like Ribeiro, understand? So to all the Kaizer Chiefs supporters, guys, let's not lose hope. Our team is going to the right direction. We are playing well. Sundowns today, they said, oh, Kaizer Chiefs, it is different today. Because they were saying, no, guys, let's go to Lucas Muripe, we are going to get 4. So even now they are saying, no, hey, Kaizer Chiefs was playing well. Yes, we did play well. It's just the chances, like we wasted the chances.
Didn't use them,
Because if you can check Chabalana, he got the chance inside the box.
Man.
When we're inside the box, you are alone.
Composure.
You just pass the net. You don't kill them, you just pass the net. Because the goalkeeper is there, the net is open. Why are you not fighting then? Why are you fighting? Pella Sundowns is not fighting us. They are just killing us tactically. They are not fighting us. They are not kicking us. No, they are playing us well, understand? So to the management of our team, guys, let's sign quality players and all, even to the fans of Kaizer Chiefs. Today I want to say thank you. We behaved today. There was no throwing off the object inside the pitch. So let's take that morale to the next game. Even our team is not playing well, but let's not disrupt the game. Let's let the game play well, and then next time we'll win, understand? Because I know it's painful. All the players, they practice during the week. They practice during the week so that on weekend, in the day of the game, they win.
Match day,
I can't go to the practice and say, no, I'm going there on weekend, I want to lose. No. And it's not easy to play soccer. You see me, I'm a supporter, I'm at the stand. I'm saying, no, you have played this and this.
To say that,
if they can say, come and play, it's going to be a different story, understand?
Exactly,
so all the Kaizer Chiefs players, they are playing well. It's just the lucky. And that side, momentum is not like there. But if you can push it like the way you're pushing Sundowns, we are going to go far, understand? So to the Orlando Pirates supporter, guys, we are going to support you. We saw your support today. We are going to support you when you play Sundowns.
It's a genuine.
What you did today, we are going to do it to you, understand?
Beautiful.
So just to quote a strip from the Bible, I just want to give all the Kaizer Chiefs supporters this strip. Johanna 14, says, verse 1. It says, kaofela ba dipelo tsa ona di robeileng today mo game ya Sundowns Kaizer Chiefs. A batle go modimo, batle ba epolelo re no eish. Dilo a se tsamaye botse.
Amen.
A se tsamaye botse. So balang Johanna 14 lo ditla ba sharp. So re ska kwata guys. Let's keep on coming to the stadium and support the team. The team is playing well. We got good quality. Kale is playing well. All the players, they are playing well. So I was happy. I was happy about that.
Hey guys, how was Sundowns? Ever thaba fetwa ba ruti.
No. That is why they.
I want to tell him something.
That is why they. Johanna 14 it says. But Johanna 14 verse 1. Dipilu salona, dipilu salona, disifuwe dumela. So to all the Kaizer Chiefs supporters, guys, let's keep on supporting Kaizer Chiefs. We're playing well. Thank you, no.
We are going to give them Ribeiro. After 5 years, we are going to give them Ribeiro, like we gave them the CBD.
Even after 5 years.
after 5 years.
Why not now? Come closer.
No, we can't give them now because they are going to be better than us. We always want to be the best.
You don't want competition?
No, we don't want competition. How can we compete with Chiefs?
You shouldn't.
And the Chiefs must know something. They must just bring back the 1997 Rothmans Cup and then we are going to forgive them. As long as they still have the Rothmans Cup, they can keep that 1 million at that time.
Matter,
they can keep that money because they already used them. Use that money. But we want the trophy into our cabinet. As long as they have that trophy, we are still going to clobber them.
But then, my brother, come here. How do you feel about the game today?
Unfortunately, Sham, I came late. Even that goal, I only heard wow, and then I was just happy. I was just happy that we scored. And then even though they are complaining about that it is a possible offside, I can't say it is an offside or it is not an offside. I don't know. No. But I'm just happy with the win.
You just had wow.
Sundowns.
Wow, come here.
Thank you.
Sharp, brother.